So check it out. Here's a little project I finally got around to fixing. Got this off eBay pretty cheap. I don't know, I think I only paid like 10, 12 bucks for it. It needed some cleanup. The pickup plate had one of the tabs broken off, so the pickup shoe, I had to find a little piece of metal that I cut into shape and then glued it to the plate and then put the shoe on it. I use Loctite super glue. It's about the best I've found, and it seems to hold things quite well. So I also got the headlight working. I had to use a little bit of rail zip on. I use it right on the rivets that hold the truck on, and it makes the headlight come on pretty strong now, and it's pretty steady. Another project I was working on at the same time. Let me pull the train up. A friend sent me these, well, they're actually Joyline passenger cars. I removed them from the original base because I didn't want to drill through it, but I wanted to light them. So I put them on some caboose, Marx caboose bases, and the tops were pretty well rusted, so I taped around the top, followed along the line there, and then I just put some nice maroon up there, and it made it look really nice. And of course I painted the bases so that they were good. And I had to do the same thing with the American Flyer, the train, the little car here that trails it. There we go. This one was missing the roof, so I found a rusty one on eBay for like $5 and bought it, and just gave it a little same maroon colored paint. Put window strips in them. I print them out on vellum paper, and I also make my pickups are just that piece of like feeler gauge type materials, and it works really well. You hardly see any blinking. I put strip light LEDs in them. There's 3 little lights in there, and so we'll take them for a spin. You can check them out. Here we go. Got the little FT diesel running pretty good. They usually were sold in pairs, both A units. One would be a dummy. I've got a couple of dummy units laying around, but just since I only bought the one, I just thought that's the one I'd feature. And I've got my pop or putt-putt boats, whatever you want to call them. I've always been wanting to actually try one of those. I have a garden railroad. Maybe someday I will. And I scrounged around in the spare parts. There was one horn missing. And it's that narrow base horn. And so I did have an extra one. And we'll bring it around this time. Just that. So if you have some of these cars and they're a little bit rusted, especially on the roof, you can just tape it off and just put a little paint up there, maybe some maroon or maybe a dark red, and then add some window silhouettes and lights, and it really makes them look nice. And they're a lot more fun with lights as far as I'm concerned. But anyway, thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.